If you ever wonder why Kung Fu masters seem to move with effortless control flowing between defense and attack, then welcome. In this 5-minute session, I'll walk you through key movement principles that guide speed, power, and precision. Let's begin.
Feet together, open up. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Slightly pigeon toe. Step forward. Pivot. Step forward. Heel toe alignment. Heel toe alignment. Shift your weight back. Back leg. Place your hands in the middle of your body. If you look, you can see the line here. Everything lines up in the middle. That's your target. Your area of defense is this box here, which starts and ends on the shoulders, at the eye, and the groin. So if you keep this in mind, and you split that box down the middle and across, then you have your 4 quadrants or 4 gates that you want to keep protected. Okay? So whether you're punching straight down the center, blocking, offsetting, everything is protecting the center line, and also offsetting moves out and away from the body, but within these borders. Okay, that's a principle you want to keep in mind. I'll keep coming back to that. Next, 3 arm positions. First one, Tansao, palm up. And you can say it with me, Tansao, palm up. So remember, Tansao, or palm up. Fuksao. This is a new one for you, right? Tansao, Fuksao. Tansao, Fuksao. Jitsao. Tansao, Fuksao, Jitsao. Tansao, I'm sorry. Let me go closer so you can see. Tansao, Fuksao. Right? Tansao, Fuksao, Jitsao. From the side view, it looks like this. Jitsao. Tansao, Fuksao, Jitsao. For extra credit, what is this called? Bonsao. So you have Tansao, Fuksao, Jitsao, Bonsao. So you got one extra arm position, and you learned a new one. We're off. Recycle again. Inhale and exhale. Lower your stance just a little bit more. Open up one more. 6 positions. Ready? Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2nd round. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And recycle. Good. Hold up. All right. Remember the 4 positions. Tansao, Fuksao, Jitsao, Bonsao. Okay?
Thank you for practicing with us. If you're interested in moving on, check out some of these other videos over here. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more. Until next time, stay inspired and inspirational.